Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full-on review about the KVD Good Apple foundation. I know that this is such a raved about viral foundation that pretty much TikTok made it viral. So when I saw that TikTok, I was like, oh my god, now that I am looking at the foundation, is there anything like this? You will have to find out during the video. You guys will see my whole entire reaction to it and how it applies. I even applied it with the beauty blender and with a brush, so you guys can see how it applies with both of them. So yeah, you guys, y'all want to see how I created this look? Or if you guys want to see my review on the Good Apple foundation, then please continue watching. Hey guys, so as y'all can see, I have no foundation on, nothing whatsoever, just my brows, and obviously my lids are primed. I wanted to do a review on the new foundation that everybody's hyping up, and I'm curious to know if it's worth it or not. I have it right in front of me. I did purchase this on my own. It's the vegan KVD Beauty Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. I got it in 2 shades right here, just to be sure, you know, but I still don't know if these are like my right shades. I am gonna swatch them so you guys can see everything. You guys will literally see, like, I have no filter on this camera. I know that a lot of people put filters on their camera, but mine has no filter whatsoever. It's 4K. You guys will see everything, my pores, all my little imperfections. But these are the 2 shades that I got, which is Tan 060 and then Tan 057. So as I was saying, I did purchase these foundations on my own, so this opinion will be 100% honest. So obviously I gotta prime my face. I always do. It's a must, you guys. So that's what I'm going to do really quick. So I don't know what foundation to use because I heard it was like a matte finish. I'm not sure. Pretty sure it's like a matte finish. I'm still like iffy about it. I'm gonna use one of my favorite primers, which is the Too Faced Plump and Prime primer, and it's so good. I love it so freaking much. So I'm just gonna use this today. I'm just gonna take just a regular brush, and all I'm gonna do is apply this all over my face. I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow on camera just because I just want to focus the whole attention to this foundation, and I am so curious to know how it's gonna work. Honestly, like, I'm so excited. Obviously, you want to prime before applying anything on your face. Just gonna make that, you know, foundation look flawless and just a really nice layer for your skin. I am going to do one side with a beauty blender and the other side with like regular brush just to see how they apply with both. There you have it. My skin is primed. I'm not gonna color correct today just because I want to see the true coverage of this foundation and if it's gonna cover like my darkness around my mouth or anything like that. I do want to see my reaction to that, but I am going to be taking my YSL Blur primer. This is one of my favorite primers to prime on my T-zone because I do have a little bit of pores around my T-zone area. Pores, and it just, I love to also like put it on my hands, but it's so good. It just blurs out that what I want. Like, look at that, just mattified and it blurred out. Also, we're having like a little breakout right here on my nose. Don't mind that. So there you have it. My skin is prepped. I don't know if I want to spray my face with some grip from Milk. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Spray. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this onto my skin. I have like a extra protection layer to my skin, so I'm just gonna let that dry. I'm just gonna pat it in. Oh, I also did my nails red. This is like my first time doing red nails in a really long time, but let's get into it. First, I'm gonna take the shade 10057, and this is a really good shade, right? Like, it's actually very freaking nice. I'm very excited now. And now I'm gonna take Tan 060. So this is 060 and it is darker than 57. Look what I just did right now. It just fell on top of each other. Oh my god, I'm a mess, you guys. But this is it right here. You can definitely see the difference on camera. But I'm gonna try both of them right now and see what looks good. So by the way, I have my window open. I'm so sorry if you hear wind or branches, you know, because it's just really hot in my house. So I'm just going to take 057 and I'm gonna color match myself. Ooh, that is perfect. How did I do that? I don't know. I really don't know how I did that. Okay, so 060, I'm just gonna try it really quick. I feel like 060 is a little too on the olive side. That makes sense, but let's just try it. Them both. I'm just gonna, you know, blend this together and see what the cocktail looks like. I don't want to waste any makeup, so I am going to be taking my beauty blender. I don't know which brand to get. This one from Huda Beauty, and I am going to mix these two together and see the little cocktail. So here's my reaction, you guys. This is like moment of truth. That looks great. That looks pretty bomb. Can you guys see that? I hate when my foundations do that. I don't know if it's the primer, but it kind of like peels off, if that even makes sense. So far, it did cover up my little red dot that I had right there. As you guys can see, it's a perfect match. I really like it. I really, really like it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of 557 and a little bit of 060, and then I'm just gonna start to kind of build this up together. Ooh, that is nice. But I don't know if I'm using a wrong primer for this foundation. It's just making that kind of weird kind of texture. I don't know if you guys can see that texture that I have going on right here. It's so weird. Or it might be like the beauty blender, but I doubt it. I really do doubt it. Let me just try it with the brush on the side because I don't know about that. It's very like creamy when you pick it up with a brush, so be aware of that. This is actually from Laura Lee. It's one of my favorite kabuki brushes at the moment. It's so good. It's the L11 brush. So I'm just going to blend this out. Oh, this doesn't do that. Maybe it was the freaking beauty blender. Oh my goodness. Yes, skin. Can you guys see the coverage on this side? I'm just gonna try it here now. The coverage is there. It's definitely there. It covered everything, like literally everything, which I'm very shook about. So it did cover up a lot, you guys. It's flawless. I usually have cracks right here. Like, I don't know if that even makes sense, but my skin always tends to like peel here with any foundation. So what I'm gonna do now is just cover my nose with this. I think I did a good job with the foundation match. What do you guys think? Did I do good or did I? No. I like it better when it's applied with a brush, for sure. I don't know about the beauty blender, or maybe I'm not doing it right, but I do like it with the brush a lot. And it is a kind of like a demi-matte finish. It's not completely matte, but it's, you know, matte. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Like, it's definitely matte, but not all the way matte, which I really like. I do like foundations that are a demi-matte finish. I am all for it. So now I'm just gonna do my forehead, and I'm just gonna do a line. Like, that coverage is insane, you guys. The coverage is there for sure. And then I'm just gonna blend this out. Look at that coverage, you guys. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just pick up any excess I have and just blend, blend, blend. Look at that coverage. Wow. So obsessed. So far, wow. I do love this foundation. Not gonna lie, I'm just gonna go back again where I feel like I want a little bit more of coverage. I really do like it. I really, really do. But no, I do like it. I do. Honestly, I do see why it's being hyped so highly, because it's a good foundation. I do like the coverage. I do like the demi matte for sure, hands down. I do love that. It's amazing. I do like it. I do like the packaging. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. But it's nothing like, wow, you know, like, oh my gosh, so innovative. I do like it. I do like how it's not like so branded, if that even makes sense. It's just simple packaging. I mean, it says KVD right there, the little logo, and the design is really beautiful. And then there you have like the black sticker, and obviously the name and information that you need to know. It's very simple. It's a very simple, sleek packaging, which I do really like. And it's slim. It's not thick at all, so it's really travel friendly, so I do like that. And I do like the coverage. It's giving me full coverage vibes for sure. No medium, no light to medium coverage, full on coverage. I'm a full coverage girl, like no doubt about that. I have no shame in my game. Yeah, no shame in my game. I'm a full coverage girl. You guys already know that. Full glam, give me the beat. But I do like it. I do feel like it's a really great foundation, as you guys can see, like, and it's a really great shade for me. Like, wow, it's a great shade for me. If you're around my skin tone, definitely try to get the tan 057 or tan 060, like really good. So now I'm just gonna do my concealer, all my full glam right now. I'm gonna obviously like do it here because it is a full tutorial for you guys. So I'm gonna take Kylie Cosmetics Skin Concealer in the shade Peanut, and I'm just gonna highlight there, and then take my beauty blender and just blend this out. I love Kylie concealers. They are so creamy, so full coverage. Like, look at that. Wow, period. Who remembers me doing my foundation before my eyeshadow? Like, who am I right now? Like, I am going back in time. So now I'm going to take the Rare Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 190W. I'm like, here's like the whole entire digit. So here it is. I do like a bright under eye, so I'm just gonna do it here. Ooh, that is bright. I didn't end up getting a new one or a new shade because I was lazy, so I'm just gonna stick with this. And yeah, that's bright, but trust me, trust the process. And I do dry my concealer because I feel like that adds more coverage. So let me just wait a little bit. And it is pretty hot, you guys. It's pretty damn hot. I live in a desert. So now I am just going to blend this out. Oh my god. I don't know if it's this foundation, but everything is just blending out so flawlessly and so nice. So now I am going to cream contour. You guys know that I really like this Neutrogena concealer. This is the Radiant Cream Concealer in the shade Chai. Alright guys, so I already have all my face on. I did my blush. I put on my eyelashes off camera just because obviously like I want to just focus on the face. And for eyelashes, I'll leave everything down below, all the lashes too. I also used a little bit of eyeshadow, and then I applied some highlight. And for lips, I'm gonna do something a little bold. I want to do a red lip. So I'm gonna be taking this Kat Von D Everlasting lip liner in the shade Outlaw. It looks like this, and I did get inspired by my nails. Alright. So I'm just going to just a really bright red. I do like to fill my whole entire lip with a lip liner just because sometimes I feel like it gets a little patchy if I don't. That looks amazing. I was debating on either using this lip cream from Kat Von D. I don't even know, but I want to do something matte. So I think I'm gonna go in with these Persona lipsticks. These are really beautiful. This one is called Phoenix, and it's a Persona liquid lipstick. So I'm just gonna take this. This is what I was looking for. And don't worry about if we make a mistake or anything, I will fix that right now. They got it on so pretty. So creamy too. That's nice. Okay. So I'm going to take my foundation brush just because we do have a little bit of foundation. You want to correct the edges with this. Red is a tricky color to get right. So pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put on a different shirt because this is a little too like dull. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new shirt on, also fix my hair a little, and then I'll be right back. Let me spray some of this because my skin's looking a little too matte, you know, which I don't mind, but I'm just gonna take this Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist, and then I'm just gonna drench my face in this. Alright guys, so I'll be right back to finish out the outro. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done. I just put on a tank top and then some jewelry to finish off the look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. The foundation is, but yeah, you guys, all in all, it's such a beautiful foundation. You guys, if you guys are looking for a really full coverage, I would say, like for me, I would say that it's a demi matte finish because it wasn't super like dewy. It was definitely matte, but not so matte, if that makes sense. And I do feel like it's full coverage. It's not medium to full coverage, it's just like full ass coverage. Like if you are looking for a full coverage foundation, this is it. And it's actually a balm. So it says it right here. It's the Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. So yeah, if you guys are looking for something like that, definitely pick it up when it's available, because I know that there's a lot of shades that are not available. So yeah, keep a lookout. I know I thought that I was not gonna get it and I was not gonna get my shade, and then look at it, I did end up getting it, so I'm very happy about that. It was really last minute too, so I'm really happy that I got to show you guys my own review about the Good Apple foundation. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below letting me know if you guys have tried the Good Apple foundation. Like, I would like to know your thoughts about it and see if like agree or disagree. But yeah, everything, comment down below. I will be replying to all of you guys. Also, don't forget to press the bell notification button so you guys can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content for you guys. Also, don't forget to follow all my social medias. I will have it linked down below or up here for you guys. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye guys.